Kumar and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And today I'm going to show you that how you can migrate the files of your My Document folder. And it is very necessary to migrate the file of My Document to some different place as from the My default location of the Windows. That the Windows choose the location for My Document is the location into the C drive, and most of the time what happens when we format the system and when we want to change the windows of the system, then we forgot that we have some necessary files into the My Document, because every time when you download or save any file from any application software, it by default goes to the My Document folder, and the My Document folder is in the C drive. And when we format the window and when we install the new window, by default we format the C drive, and as soon as we format the C drive, all data lost whatever existed into the My Document folder. So it is very necessary to migrate the files of My Document folder to some different location from the C drive. And how we will do this, let's see. For that you have to go to the computer from where you will find the My Document. Just right click on that and go to the properties, and this is the pop-up window that you see after the clicking on the properties, from where you have the option to include a folder. You have to go click on that and go to some place into the another drive. Likewise, I have a T drive, and there you have to make a new folder. Like I'm gonna create a My Doc folder, include this folder, and from here just click on that and set save location to this. From onward, whenever you will save a new file and whenever you save any document, it by default go to this location. So after that, when you even format the drive, even when you change the window, you need not to afraid that your data is lost, because it is saved in some another place. So whenever you just install the new window and go to this folder, and you will have this, you will have your all files and data saved there. So, and you can also change from these settings also, that whatever the files you want to save to this location, that you want to save the documents to this location. Likewise, you can also create some different folders into a different place. Likewise, I'm just creating a different folder like My Music, and saving My Music to this place. Okay, so and by default you have to select one as a set save location. So whatever the folder you want to make it default, you have to select that. Okay, so this is the way by which you can make your My Document folder to some other place from the C drive and save your data. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any question regarding this and from anything, you can ask in comment, and please subscribe. Have a good day and bye bye.